Concast, the company from Zumbrota, Minnesota that introduced precisely engineered, high-strength concrete products to the electric industry over 30 years ago, continues the innovation of products for even more applications. Trade-named as Fibercrete, the construction material consists of a proprietary blend of high-strength concrete reinforced with alkali-resistant glass fibers and high tensile strength wire where required. Fibercrete is environmentally friendly since the ingredients are mainly rock and water. They do not contain any petroleum-based products. Fibercrete has up to 3 times the strength-to-weight ratio and impact resistance of ordinary concrete. This allows for a considerable weight reduction in products without sacrificing strength. Fibercrete is fireproof and corrosion resistant. It is not affected by the natural elements like rain and ultraviolet radiation. Its smooth, round corners on a stone-like surface blends in well with the natural environment. Box pads are manufactured with a spray-up process over a steel mold. As the concrete slurry is sprayed onto the mold, alkali-resistant glass fibers are chopped and integrated into the matrix. Multiple layers are required to build to the designed wall thickness. Structural formers and high-strength steel wire are added when additional strength is needed in the walls, corners, or the top. Threaded lead inserts are added as lifting lugs or as part of the equipment hold-down hardware. The flange at the bottom of the base acts as an anchor to prevent tilting and shifting commonly found in flat pad applications. After the curing process is complete, the molds are stripped and the edges sanded smooth for safe handling. Large box pads are pallet mounted and can be double stacked for space saving in shipment and storage. Knockouts are inserted into the walls for cable entry and exit through a section of conduit. A generous number of ribs are built into the walls and the top of the pad to provide outstanding load distribution for the stability of the heavy 3-phase transformer. This transformer-based design has been tested to a loading of over 40,000 pounds, which allows for plenty of safety factor to meet the installation and operation criteria. A crushed stone base is prepared. The stone should be between 3/4 and 1.5 inches. The depth of the stone base should be several inches to allow the box pad to be leveled and to match up with the pole base top. Care should be taken to level the stone under the entire area of the box pad to prevent pressure points on the flanges. Another leveling method that can be used is the incorporation of strut and threaded rod which supports the box pad from the bottom corner. A concrete slurry is then poured under and around the bottom flange. Once the base material is leveled throughout, the large box pad is picked from the trailer. Lifting bolts are screwed in the precast threaded lead inserts in the top face of the box pad, which are then used to attach to the lifting rigging. Note that two men, with the aid of a backhoe, easily handle the bases and shift the box pads into their final position. Backfill of base stone is shoveled around the flanges. A sealant is applied between the box pad tunnel and the pole base. The virgin soil is then returned to the hole. Avoid driving the backhoe too close to the base when compacting the backfill. The base is now ready to accept the installation of the transformer. A 2500 kVA 15,000 pound transformer is picked from the truck, gently guided, and set on the base. The openings in the top face of the box pad are coordinated with the transformer base dimensions to match up exactly. Transformer weights and footprints should be supplied with the request for quote so that Concast can provide the correct box pad with a perfect fit. All faces of the base that are in contact with the transformer are to be sealed, inside and outside. After the transformer installation is completed, a crushed stone is used around the generator pole and the transformer base to keep the weeds down. For more information on other Concast products such as cable trench, modular box pads, vaults, concrete pads, or other innovative ideas that could be best suited to fibercrete, contact one of our manufacturer's representatives or go directly to our website at www.concastinc.com.